What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to download Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. We will show you the steps you have to follow to install the Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. As you have recently installed Windows 11 on your PC, or you have recently bought a PC with the Windows 11 and you're trying to install the Google Chrome on your browser and you want a clean Google Chrome browser to be installed and you do not want any third-party application, then in this video we will explain you what are the options you have to select and what are the options you have to click to install the Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. As you have a Microsoft Edge on your browser, do a right click, select open. On the very top of the search, you have to type download Google Chrome and select it, and afterward you'll see a list of information in here. As you can see, the first link shows download Google Chrome browser. It says it's a Google Chrome website, but I do not want to go with any of the link in here because this is an advertisement. Here you can see this is an ad, so you simply have to scroll it down and you have to search for something like Google Chrome web browser. Once you'll have this option, and this is the description of that link, download Google Chrome now for us, and you can read this and you can find this information. Afterward, click on this link and you'll see a screen like this. Once you'll have a screen like this, simply click on download Chrome, open file. Here click on yes. As I'm installing Google Chrome on my Windows 11 PC, that's why I'm getting verified publisher Google LLC. If you are not installing Google Chrome from verified Google Chrome website, then you'll see something different while installing Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. If you're getting this option, simply click on yes. Close the browser and let Google Chrome install on your Windows 11 PC. It's gonna take some time as it's installing Google Chrome on my PC. As I already have Google Chrome browser on my Windows 11 PC, it's not taking that much time as it usually takes. So once you'll have Google Chrome installed on your Windows 11 PC, you'll see a screen like this, and this is a proper way of installing Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. So that's all for today. I hope you like our video. Give a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.